The best way to fight fires is to keep them from starting in the first place.
You can help to prevent fires in your facility by learning to recognize potential fire hazards and doing what's needed to reduce or eliminate them. Clutter such as discarded packing materials, piles of paper, and boxes can be fires waiting to happen. So police your work area regularly and dispose of all waste. Wood shavings, grease, and other ignitable materials that build up on machine parts that get hot can lead to a fire as well. So remember to keep all equipment surfaces clean. Careless smoking causes many accidental fires by providing a source of ignition for any fuel that's present in the area. If you smoke, be sure to follow your company's smoking policy. Smoke only in designated areas. Make sure cigarette butts are extinguished before discarding them, and place butts in proper containers. Do not throw them in the trash. 1 in 5 industrial fires occur when welding, cutting, and some other operations that can provide a source of ignition are being performed. These tasks are known as hot work, and they are strictly controlled at your facility by a permitting system. Hot work fire safety measures include preventing the throwing of sparks or slag, removing or protecting flammables in the area, and posting a fire watch to make sure no secondary fires occur. Electricity is involved in many industrial fires as well. Electrical fires can be caused by overloaded circuits, damaged equipment, and not following safe work practices. Overloads occur when too much power is being drawn through an electrical circuit, which can cause the wiring to heat up and catch fire. So before you plug in a power tool or piece of equipment, make sure the circuit can handle its power requirements. This also applies to any extension cords you plan to use. They should be rated for the amount of power the equipment they are connected to will be drawing. And never install an extension cord as a permanent power supply solution. They're for temporary use only. Over time, they can deteriorate and become a fire hazard. Avoid using power strips or other adapters that can result in plugging too many devices into a single receptacle. Check power cords for damage like cracked or frayed insulation. If you find problems, don't use them.